a common gotcha that I see often when doing JavaScript code review is in the comparison of two dates. For example, if you are building an appointment booker application and you are trying to avoid double booking a certain time slot and you want to compare two dates against each other. So let's say you declare a due date object like I have here in the date1 constant. Obviously in the real world, the actual date will be dynamic, but here I'm just putting in a hard-coded string for Christmas Eve 2020. What you are in fact getting with the date1 constant, the return data type, is actually an object. So if you were to have a date2 constant and comparing date1 and date2, you're actually comparing two date objects. And doing mathematical operations on two JavaScript objects is, needless to say, very challenging. A better solution, I think, would be to chain on the GetTime method on the date object. So what GetTime will give you is the elapsed Unix epoch time in milliseconds, which will return a number data type in JavaScript. Like that, see? So the value of appointment one constant is this millisecond, this epoch time in milliseconds. So if I were to have a second constant with different with another date, in this case it's the same date, then I can do comparison operators, do mathematical operations on two different number type much easier. Okay, and so at this point, because I'm getting two numbers, what I can do is run some sort of control flow to check to make sure that I do not have a double booking type situation. Okay, hopefully that will help you out. If you find this helpful, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.